Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva. In the previous class, we have discussed about electrolysis and its uses. Today, we are going to discuss about electroplating. Let us see the definition of electroplating. The process of depositing a thin layer of a superior metal, that is, expensive metal, over the surface of an inferior metal, that is, less expensive metal, with the help of electric current is known as electroplating. Some of the examples of electroplating are gold plated watch, copper plated mug, silver plated teapot, silver plated goblet, and chrome electroplated tap. Let us look at the reasons for electroplating. Electroplating gives better appearance. For example, a flower vase of brass, if electroplated with silver, looks more decorative. To protect the metals from corrosion. More reactive metals tend to get rusted often. To protect the objects made of such reactive metals, they are electroplated with less reactive metals. It also increases life of metals. Let us see the process of electroplating. In this process, silver bar acts as anode, whereas the object to be electroplated, that is spoon, acts as cathode. And the electrolyte is silver cyanide or silver nitrate solution. When the current flows, silver atom, that is Ag, loses one electron to form positively charged silver ion, that is Ag+, and moves into the solution. The positively charged silver ion gets attracted towards the negatively charged electrode, cathode. At the cathode, silver ion, that is Ag+, gains one electron plus one electron and forms silver atom and deposit evenly on the surface of the spoon. Let us discuss about the uses of electroplating. Copper plating is done to provide extra smoothness to the metal surface. It also provides enhanced surface finishing to the metal. Nickel plating is done on a metal surface to reduce friction in materials like electric conductors. It reduces the chances of early wear and tear of the metal. Palladium plating increases the thickness as well as durability of the metal. It is also used to make the metal hard and strong. Gold and silver are good conductors of electricity. Metals are electroplated with gold and silver to increase their conductivity and decrease cost. Cell phones, computers, and other electronic devices use electroplating techniques in their circuits. A thin layer of precious metal like gold is often coated on jewelry to make it more lustrous and attractive to potential buyers. Electroplating acts as a protective barrier for the metals. Nickel or chromium, which prevent the base metal from getting corroded. Nickel is used in decorative items, cars, and machinery parts. Chromium is often electroplated on appliances and automobile parts such as door handles, grills to produce a finished shiny appearance. Zinc is also plated on various machine parts. In today's class, we have discussed about electroplating and its uses. To receive our online lessons, please press subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.